just in case I didn't impart to you how much money is being spent on this and how crazy it is and how it is not normal, have a look at this. In 2020, I tried to buy one of these. I wrote a motivation. I was going to get funding from government. You know, this was going to be the first supercomputer in Africa of its type. 3.2 kilowatts of power draw. That's quite a lot of power. 970 trillion operations per second. I mean, that's awesome. $130,000. What's that? 2.6 million rands. Not too cheap. And if you really want a supercomputer, you have to get like 3 or 4. So it's a lot of money. My application was rejected. I was very sad for it. But now look, I went to NVIDIA's conference in 2025 this year. And Jensen Huang stands up on the stage and holds a thing in his hand, in his palm of his hand. And he says, this computer is more powerful than that one. That thing is this size. This one is this size. It uses 170 watts when it's at full tilt. Most of the time it's using 15 watts. It's like a little mini PC. But it's 1,000 tera operations per second. It's so crazy. It's a petaflop computer. More powerful than that. $3,000. This means it's accessible, you know? And you can put together some cash and you can buy one of these. And you can do what you couldn't do in 2020 unless you had a lot of money and you got approvals for budgets and funding and things. So it's accessible. You know, like people say AI will be only amongst the wealthy and the few. It's not true. It's coming to all of us and we can use it and we can make a difference. So it's just to impress upon you how fast this is changing. And this is because of trillions of dollars being spent around the world. It is massive what's going on.